Our top story is from the national capital. The death toll continues to mount in the Mustafabad tragedy. At least 11 people have died after a building collapsed. Search operations are underway to locate survivors. This incident happened during the early hours of today. CCTV footage visuals show the moment the building came crashing down in a matter of seconds. Visuals show dust billowing into the air, obscuring the view as the building turned into rubble. Rescue teams from the NDRF, Delhi Police and local authorities have launched an operation to locate and evacuate those who are still missing. The collapse is believed to have been triggered by a dust storm and heavy rains that hit parts of the capital late night. The police will also investigate the reason behind the building collapse.
सारे नियमों को ताक पे रख करके इस तरह की भवन निर्माण में जो अधिकारी दोषी हैं उनको भी सजा मिलनी चाहिए, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर या जो बिल्डर उसमें लगा है उसको भी सजा मिलनी चाहिए। और ये इतनी जिस तरह की बिल्डिंग्स यहाँ पे पूरे के पूरे शहर में हैं उन सब को नोटिफाई करके उन पे एक्शन होना चाहिए। इस तरह से जिस दुर्घटना होने के कारण लोगों का मारा जाना, क्षतिग्रस्त होना हम सब के लिए बड़ा पीड़ादायक है।
ये मुस्तफाबाद की जो घटना है बड़ी दुखनीय है। हम अत्यंत दुख व्यक्त करते हैं इससे और जिन लोगों की जाने गई हैं उनके परिवार वालों के लिए गहरी संवेदना व्यक्त करते हैं और परमपिता परमात्मा से दुआ करते हैं कि उनके परिवार को इस दुख को सहने की शक्ति प्रदान करें। और साथ ही हमने कमिश्नर से जो उन्हें निर्देश दिए हैं कि जो भी इससे संबंधित अधिकारी है अगर वो दोषी पाए जाते हैं तो उन्हें तुरंत सस्पेंड किया जाए।
Rescue operation here in Mustafabad area is continuing here. 11 people have lost their lives because of building collapse. It was at about 2:29 a.m. when all of a sudden building came down crumbling like pack of cards. Many people were buried under the debris. Immediately after that, Fire Brigade Department, NDRF, Delhi Police and Municipal Corporation people rushed to the spot. And since then, the operation is being continuing in this area. You can see heavy machinery is being used to take off people who are still believed to be buried under the debris. 11 people have lost their lives. 22 have so far been rescued. They have been sent to hospital for treatment. Here you can see this is a congested locality because of which there is a space constraint. And that is one of the biggest challenges right now the rescue team here is facing because they are not able to navigate properly. Because of the congested lane, they were not able to get more heavy machinery. But still, somehow they have managed the crane, they have got the JCB machine, they've got the bulldozer. And here you can see that right now they are trying to look for the people who are still believed to be trapped in the ground floor. And they are trying their level best to look for them. They are using technology, they are using heavy machinery, they are using sensors, they are using whatever they have with them to look for the people. What we have been told by the sources that because of the construction that led to the crumbling of the building, because building got unstable. This was an old building and already there are several other structures who are said to be old. And that's one of the reasons that government has already initiated an inquiry and they are going to take action against the officials who had given the permission for the construction. Why the permission was given? Who were the people involved? Who were the officials involved? And besides this is not the only building that has been damaged and come down crumbling. Let me show you some of the structures here. Some of these buildings, they have also developed crack. That means many more buildings here have been declared unsafe. That's one of the reasons that in coming days the government is going to issue notice so that the people who are said to be inside can be vacated from those buildings and be sent to the safer places. Some of the buildings here already got damaged and the people who are putting up in this building have also been vacated from this area.